Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix server it could not open the page because the server stopped responding. So if you find this kind of error in the Safari, so how you gonna fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply check your internet connection, which means you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi router is working. So you can simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can simply turn it on and turn it off and turn it on again so that it can be restarted. Moreover, you can simply click on airplane mode and this will stop your internet connection. After that, you have to simply turn it off again so that your internet connection can be restarted. And after this, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on settings. And after settings, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down. So you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting your network setting, you have to simply go back and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply wait for some time so that the server you are trying to reach may be refreshed, because sometimes the address website you want to try it has the server error. That's why you are facing that error. So you have to wait for some time so that it can be refreshed, and after that you can simply get to the website. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.